Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're stumbling across this channel, then hey, my name is Chloe, and hopefully you'll hit subscribe, because I thought I'd just sit down today and do a bit of like a chatty video with you, because as you can see from the title, it was my birthday recently. So it was my birthday on Tuesday, and we spent like the best 2 days just celebrating it. We did loads of things, like we went ice skating, had lunch, dinners, and I did a bit of shopping, as you can see. And I thought maybe I should just like vlog it and like show you what I get up to, but to be honest, I just wanted to take the time off, enjoy it, and just sort of switch off for a little bit, which was just so nice. So I finally found the time today to just sit down and film this video with you and show you what I got for my birthday, and just do a bit of a chatty one and just tell you what I got up to. So my boyfriend kindly surprised me with a trip to Paris, which we're going on next weekend, which I'm so excited for. But I had made the mistake of already booking Paris the weekend after. I'm going with my friend for like work. We're going to be shooting a lot of content out there. I've got campaigns and stuff I need to do. So I think next weekend I'm just going to do like real chill with him and like see places that I haven't seen there before. So I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot of Paris content coming up. So if you don't follow me already, it's at Allchloerose. You can go see what I get up to there. So he also got me Harry Potter tickets, so we went and saw that on Wednesday, and it was the most amazing show. Like, we saw part one and we were just like, the whole time, like, they did these amazing magic tricks. It felt like you were in the play. It was just insane. And then we went for a drink in between, because they do part one and part two, and then we saw Draco Malfoy, which obviously Tom Felton, in a bar, and we were like, what? Like, I was literally fangirling. And then we went back and saw part two, and it was just amazing. So yeah, we just had the best 2 days celebrating. But I did treat myself, because I said for a long time now I just wanted to put money aside and treat myself on my birthday and just get myself something. And obviously I had to go into Chanel. It's like my favourite. So I wanted to sit down and show you what I got. And I don't want this to be like a braggy video. It's just, I love watching these kind of videos, like what I got for Christmas, what I got for my birthday. And I think it's just nice to just sit down and do a chatty one and catch up with you guys, because obviously now I'm delivering a video every Sunday, so you'll be seeing a lot more of me. But yeah, they were the two presents he got me. And then he also got me some exciting thing in this box. So if you follow me over Instagram, you might have seen that, but I haven't yet shared this. So a few of you are asking me over on Instagram, like, what's in the bag? What did you get? What did you get? So I thought it'd just be fun to sit down and do a video and show it this way. So I'm going to get into it and show you what I got. First of all, I am going to start with these. No, it's not luxury, it's not designer. It is the orange trills. I've already eaten like 2 or 3. He got me like loads. And basically, they don't sell them in all the shops here in the UK. Like, they're literally like gold dust to get. And I've been trying to get them for so long. So bless him, he got me these for my birthday. They were so good. So if you're looking for a good chocolate bar, try and hunt these babies down, because they're limited edition. They're just so good. So I was like, I got that for my birthday, and I was like, wow, like, I love this. And he was like, babe, I have got you other stuff. So I'll show you what he got me first. And obviously my friends have been so lovely, and they've been treating me. I've been getting such lovely gifts this week. Like, I've had loads of flowers come through, so I'll show you them. And my friends have just spoiled me as well. It's just been so nice. And if you didn't watch my video last week, it was like a get ready with me, because I went out with my friends and celebrated last weekend. So I'll link that up on the screen so you can watch that and see like my little get ready with me and what I wore and what I got up to. So I'm getting ahead of myself here. I'll show you the box first. So I think my 2 favourite designer brands have to be Chloe and Chanel, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So look how pretty the box is. I just love their packaging. I just love how like chic their brand is, and the colours. And obviously it has my name on it. So I opened these now. I was like, what's he got me? And then it clicked, because for the longest time I have wanted this, and bless him, he has managed to hunt them down. They're literally, again, like gold dust to get. I don't know how he's done it, but he literally had like the notifications on, he said, for like the longest time, and every time he would go into work in the morning and like see if they come back in stock, and they did eventually. So they come in this box, and then it's got this cute little leaflet as well, so that come with it. And then it's got the dust bags and a little clue. There is 2 dust bags, so obviously it's some shoes. So I finally got my hands on the Chloe sandal / mules. These are amazing. I have wanted these for so long. Obviously I can't wear them now because it's winter and it's freezing, but in the summer I was like harping on about these. I had like all the notifications on for like all the different brands that sell them. and they just weren't coming in stock, and I was gutted because I knew that I could have probably got them in LA when I was there, and I just didn't think. But I have managed to get them. Well, he's got them for me, which is such a lovely treat. So I'm so excited now just to wear these in the summer, because obviously they've got my name on them. I just think they're so unique, and I never think they'll ever go out of style, so I'm definitely going to get my wear out of them. I'm not sure how much they were. I think it was around... Well, he's obviously paid for it, but I'll link them down below anyway in the description box so you can check them out, and hopefully they'll be back in stock, or they'll come back in stock, because if you want these, they're amazing. Obviously I got them in a size 5 because that's my size, and I just can't wait to wear them in the summer. So that was a lovely little treat from him. And then I will share with you what I got from me to me. So here they are, my little treats. And before I get into it, I just want to put a little disclaimer there that I've wanted to get myself a bag for the longest time. I've been putting money aside. Like, this isn't just something I go in and like willy-nilly do. Like, I really wanted to do this on my birthday, and now the fact I'm 26, I thought it would be a perfect time to properly treat myself on my birthday. So I have been putting money aside for the latest bag. The one, it's like, I'll link it down below. It's got the Chanel on the top, and it's just amazing. And I really think I kind of want it in the cream, because obviously the classic Chanel is normally black, but I feel like I do wear a lot of like beiges and creams. But I went into the store and detoured and got these little treats instead, and I actually haven't opened them yet. I've been waiting to sit down and do this video because I wanted to do the unboxing with you, because look how amazing the packaging is. Like, even this little bag, so much detail goes into it. So it's obviously it's like the felt flower, the little ribbon, and this bag. So I want to make a collection of all the bags. So I've got like a mini, a little small one, and then I want to get medium, large, and put them in my dressing room. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I've got in here. So I've actually wanted this for a while. My friend Amy had them, and she just sort of sold me. So I wanted to go in and treat myself, and I wasn't sure if they were going to be in stock because I was looking around for ages online and I couldn't seem to find them. But we went in, and actually the service obviously in there was amazing. They were really nice, and I was kind of worried, like, you know, when you go into somewhere like designer, they're going to be a bit like snooty or like look down on you, but it wasn't like that at all. And look how cute the box is. Like, literally it goes all the way into detail again with the flower and the little ribbon on it. So this is why I wanted to share with you guys and not open it yet. But I want to keep all this. I think it looks so pretty. Like, I don't even want to open it. Yay. I've been wanting to wear these for like all this week, but I've been like, no, I need to sit down and do my video and share it with you guys first. So here we have it, the little box. And inside, let's have a look. Oh my god, there's so much cute packaging here. It's got this little black pillow. I hope they're in here. Here we go. There we go. Ta-da! I'll come in close, it kind of focuses. Hopefully it'll focus. So these are just like the classic CC earrings. And they had loads of different styles. Like, they had pearly ones, they had a little bit bigger ones. But I liked these because I always wear gold jewellery. Like, I've got gold jewellery on now. My go-to at the minute is just always gold, and like, I don't really know, can you mix gold and silver? Maybe I should, but I just wanted to keep with the gold. So these are the gold CC ones, and then they've got like little diamantes inside, if it focuses. Okay, I don't think it's focusing. So yeah, these are the little gold diamante ones. So I'm actually going to put these in and show you what they look like on. So these are the Chanel earrings on, and basically my ear piercing, I had my ears pierced I think when I was literally like a baby. I wasn't even one, and I was moving and the piercing's gone really low, so that's why they hang a bit low, but I really like it. I think they just look so classic and pretty. Oh, I'm obsessed with them. I'm so happy because I haven't put them on yet, so this is the first time sharing with you guys. And it was like the guy said in the shop, like, you can wear them every day, but obviously they look really nice in the evening too, and they still make a statement. Like, they're not massive, but they're just there, and they're just really pretty, and I just think they're so classic. I just love Chanel. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. And then when I was in the store, I was also trying on one of the rings. It kind of matched this. It was like the CC one. I'll put a clip up, which I put on my stories, so you guys will have seen that if you follow me over there. And I was really like, I'm in an hour and if to get it. And I'm kind of thinking, do I go back and get it and get them to match this? Because I did actually really like it, but then a lot of people were saying it looks too much like fashion jewelry rather than like a really classic something. Because I was also looking at getting the Cartier Love Band ring, because I've got the bracelet, but we went into Cartier and I couldn't decide between the thin one or the thick one. So I thought, for now, I'm just going to treat myself some lovely little gifts from Chanel and then think about it. But yeah, I think these are so pretty. I love them. So I'm also going to show you what else I got. So I was going to just get these, and then I was like, do I get the ring? And then went to the counter and made like a last minute decision to get what's in this bag. So I'll show you again, because how pretty is it? I love the fact I've got all the different size bags now, and I feel like I'm going to use this ribbon in my hair or something. Like, I don't want it to go to waste. It's so pretty. Okay, so I managed to get the ribbon off, and then I will show you what is inside. So I've got this little box, which is obviously bigger than the earrings, so they're not earrings, and it's not the ring. And then I'll show you what I've got in here. Look. Oh, it comes in like a cute little pouch. And then I also got the card holder to match. So this is the gold one. It's got the CC, obviously the Chanel sign to match the earrings, and then it goes like crisscross, and it's this kind of leather. So if I can find the receipt, actually it should be in here. I'll let you know how much this is, but I was looking at getting like the little mini purse, but you can't fit many cards in there. It's more like a coin holder. So I thought this is a lot more practical, because to be honest, oh, and then that's like inside, it's got the little Chanel sign in here, if you can see. I never use a purse. Like, I always just have my card holder, and I got a little bit too drunk on Saturday and lost all my cards and my card holder, so I thought, you know what, it's a perfect time to get a little designer one and treat myself. And I wanted it matching with this. I just think it's so nice when you pull out your cards and you've just got a nice little wallet. And like I said, I never have change, I always have my cards. That's why I didn't get the purse. But I will let you know how much these are. Even the receipt it comes in is like cute packaging. So the card holder was $305, and the earrings were $290. So altogether it was like £600. So I thought that was a nice little splurge for my birthday. I mean, I really want to get a bag. I'm close to getting it, the one that I want, but you know what, I just thought I'm gonna go in and get these for now, and then think about the bag, because I'm a bit on and on which bag to get, and I didn't want to just make a decision for the sake of it. I wanted to get things that I knew I definitely wanted, and like this card holder, and then hopefully I'll be getting the bag soon, so I'm sure you'll probably see a video coming for that. But yeah, I thought I just wanted to treat myself on my birthday, and I'm so happy with these little purchases. They might not be massive to someone, but they are to me, because I really like them. And yeah, I thought I just wanted to share it with you guys, so I thought it was a nice little thing. Obviously I got loads of other different things for my birthday, which was lovely. A lot of flowers, so my house is full of flowers at the minute, and I've got a load of home updates coming, because I've got, I don't know if you can kind of see, some new things that have arrived this week, so I'll be sharing them soon on my channel, so make sure you hit subscribe for that. And if you like this little video, then please give it a like, and remember, I've got a lot of hauls coming your way, so stay tuned for them too. But until next time guys, I will see you then.